In this video I will show you just a small part of user-defined method. It's a very large chapter to cover in one video. I will make a separate playlist in that I will explain each exercise separately. I hope that you are following each part of this tutorial series. Let me open a new class first. We don't need any packages here. At first create a class. Before this video we were using static void main every time for all the things, addition, subtraction, and multiplication, etc. But after using it, we have to access the terminal window every time for both input and output. But this time we won't need that to happen, as we always use data type for variables, but this time we will use data type for methods. This methods will not print any message, it will just return the value in a dialog box. You will understand this clearly as the video proceeds. I will show you a simple addition of 2 or 3 numbers using this. At first install the data type with the method name. Sum is the name of the method here. In every video I have shown the null parameters, but in this, we will have 2 variables of same data type. The function of this parameters is to ask input from the user without any terminal window. It will open a small dialog box and the user have to enter numbers over there. The user have to input 2 numbers in A and B respectively. We now need to take a variable inside the method, which will hold the sum of A and B. The data type must be same. After adding we need to show the value of C to the user. But we can't use any printing statements, because printing statements work with terminal window only. So we will use the return keyword here. The function of this keyword is to show the value in a small dialog box, which I will show you later in this video. Always remember that the data type of method and the data type of returning variable must be same. But for operating this program we have to create new object. Right click the class and select the first option, it will create an object. The object is visible at the left corner in a red box. Then right click the object and select the method sum. This is the dialog box in which we have to enter 2 numbers. You can see that it shows the name of the variable with data type. We have to enter the numbers here. After entering the numbers, we can see the another dialog box popped with the result of the SM of 21 and 10. You can see inside the parameters the number which is entered in the place of A and B respectively. We have to create object every time, which is quite odd. Let me show you how to make this easy. For getting easy access to the method, simply add the static keyword before the data type. If any method has static modifier, then no object is required to operate that method. You can see that after using the static modifier we can see the method easily. But the method works the same way as before. Let's see this again with different values. But if we use this way, the values entered will not be shown. Only the returned value will be shown. Let's include a decimal value. Simply add a double data type with a variable name. Let's take it C. But if we use decimal value, we have to change the data type again everywhere. Let's see what error will happen if I did not change the data type of the method. It will show the error that a decimal value can't be stored into integer variables. So we need to change the data type to double. Now everything is perfect as they match with their data types. Now we have to enter 3 numbers, but we can't enter decimal values in A and B because they have integer data type. As double has 64 bits, it will show values till there. Let's multiply two integer numbers. First remove the variable c, and change all to integer int. Let's name this method calculate, and remove static. Enter two numbers again. You can see that it returned the multiple of 45 and 2. Let's see it again with different values. Everything is working well. This much knowledge of user-defined method is enough for a beginner. In the next video I will show library class. Hope to see you there again.